If you're a private person on social media, you might be wondering how to hide likes on Twitter from followers. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a small tip on how to do that. So let's get started. Just open your Twitter account. Now, if I go to any account, for example, this one that I see right here, and tap on likes, I'll be able to see all the tweets that this account has liked. Now, this feature is available on Twitter, so everyone will be able to see all your likes, your tweets and replies, and all the tweets that you have made. So if you want to hide your likes from your followers, well, you'll need to create a different account because as of right now, this feature is not available on Twitter. Hopefully, it will be in the future. But sadly, to hide likes from your followers on Twitter, you'll need to create a fake account, in my opinion. And it's not hard to do that. You don't need any in depth personal information. So it's simply easy to just create a fake account and browse and like all the tweets that you want, comment on whatever you want, and no one will know that it's you. Now, if you want to hide likes from anyone in general that aren't your followers, there is definitely a way to do that. And all you need to do is just put your Twitter on private. So if you want to learn how to make Twitter private account, we have a video for that. Just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.